That's all the eggs. Just go. Come on, Croc, you guys, it's all eggs.
Give me the over. Crumbled I have. Give me one over and one sunny. Two, yeah.
What do you say?
Bacon, please, baby. Bacon. White. Over in a pot. Huh?
Yes.
No, I have already. For the next one. Yeah, over in sunny. Fruit, please. Fruit. And a rye, please. 3 meat here. Crispy bacon.
You did this already, the 16. Table 16, you did it.
That is done?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll use it for the next fill.
Yeah, next order.
Yeah, next order.
Use it for the 18, baby.
Yeah. Québécois. This is a rye. Yeah, 3 meat. Here, 3 meat. 3 meat here.
Oh, wait, Mary, son. Don't let me.
3 meat here, sausage, tomato.
What table numbers you out there?
I have 43, 18, 25, and the special one. Okay. Thank you.
And table 3, right?
Table 3 just came in. Just close.
Oh,
It's okay, baby. But also, Simon, please cut me the crouton. The crouton on top, please cut it. Toast is brown, white. Make 5 brown, 5 white. Yes, sir. And 2 rye, please.
yes. Here you go.
So, kids. White. White. White.
Black,
Brown.
gray.
Ready? Okay. So this is sausage? I have it. Oh, okay. So I must ask you. Yeah. So this is bacon, is right? Just potato and a white bread. And a white bread. Just white here to complain. Okay, then here bacon.
43.
Bacon here. Fruits, please.
No prep. Okay.
And then over here, Bala.
Maybe cook this a little bit more, guys. Just a little bit more. Yeah.
Just cook the bacon more. Like leave it to cook the bacon.
You're right. When it's a kid's plate, you
Yeah,
put potato. I
correct,
forgot.
okay.
One more, Jojo. Deep brown here. The big guys, you need to cook a little bit more to bacon.
More bacon cook.
And fruit, right?
Okay. Bacon, let's do this. Bala, give me the thing there. The bacon thing.
I'm mixing also on Nutella.
Bala and Nutella, please.
You can give me back the bacon and all that stuff.
Yeah. Give me an egg for breakfast club.
Yes, ready.
Thank you. Give it to Oscar, please. This is a redo for Johan. Bacon well done.
Here, my dear, right?
It's coming, baby.
Sit.
Is it coming, this one? Perfect, thank you.
The Nutella is coming.
Nutella.
It's coming, the Nutella.